Hi friends, I'm back to show you how to make leaf rubbings. So this is an example of a leaf rubbing that I made yesterday. All you'll need are some beautiful fall leaves, a piece of paper, and some peeled crayons. Whoops. So I have got a few different kinds of leaves. I've got a leaf from a tulip tree. This is a Constantine fig. I like the brown spots on this leaf. And a maple leaf. And a leaf from an ash tree. All you're gonna do is set down your leaves on your table in front of you, however you like to put them together. I like to kind of show each individual leaf, so I like to give some space between each leaf so I can get all of the details, kind of fit them like a puzzle. So I'm gonna work with these 4 leaves, okay? And then I'm gonna take a piece of paper and I'm gonna set it over top. If your leaves stick out, then you might want to push them under or rearrange them. So I'm gonna rearrange mine just a little bit. Here we go. Okay. Then I'm gonna set my paper down. Cool, they're almost all covered. There's a little spot sneaking out from under the paper, but they're mostly underneath there. I'm gonna start with kind of this dark red color. Now, instead of using the tip of the crayon, you're going to use the side of the crayon. You can see that someone has been doing leaf rubbings with these crayons because they're kind of indented on the sides. So the important part here is for you to really use your left hand. I write with my right hand, so I'm gonna use my left hand to hold down my paper on the corner so that my paper doesn't get pushed away when I rub my crayon over the leaves. So with my left hand, I'm putting my hand on the corner, and with my right hand, I'm gonna start towards the middle. You can start wherever you'd like, and I'm going to rub the crayon over the leaves. Ooh, I really picked up the stems. And you're just gonna hold it down and you're gonna keep rubbing your crayon, and look at that. The leaf magically appears. It really does feel like magic to me. Look at that. You can go back over and say, okay, I know the corner of the leaf is here. Oh, there it is. Now, the cool thing about leaf rubbings is you can continue to rub over them with different colors to make it look even more eye-catching. So I'm gonna use this orange. I'm gonna kind of stick to fall colors, I think. That's my plan. There it is. And I like this dark green, so I'm gonna use a little bit of dark green. Yeah, that looks nice. You'll notice that some crayons really do a good job of picking up the veins and the stems of the leaves, while other colors just act as kind of like little accents. So I'm gonna use this yellow to kind of just add a bright touch to my art. There we go. And it is tricky at first. While it seems very easy, it can actually be pretty tricky at first. So with every leaf rubbing you do, you'll just get a little bit better. And there it is. There's my fall leaf art. All right, I hope you give this a try, and I can't wait to see what you make. Thanks, friends.